All right, hey, what's up, y'all? I just want to show you how to navigate to our recently uploaded third meeting for the flexible animal-based omnivore, which is also the elimination diets meeting. And the reason it's an elimination diets meeting is because at this third phase, we're moving towards 100% animal-based, which is the ultimate elimination diet. All right, so once you're logged in to community.superhumantransformation.com or you're on your phone, we're going to go over to courses. And then in courses, you're going to see the flexible animal-based omnivore. And then we have our different sections, which, by the way, have been renamed to be more accurate and informative. And if we go down to the third section, we'll see elimination diets and self-testing. We have an overview, and then we can go to the actual meeting. And here we have the elimination handouts and worksheets. Right now, we can also access this for future reference back in the courses as a separate course. And so we click on elimination diets and self-testing, and we go to the only lesson that's in there. And again, we'll have that same video and then download for the worksheets and handouts. As time goes on, we're going to break up these meetings, these longer meetings, and give them little section contents. But in the meantime, I just want to make sure that it is available for you guys. Okay, so if you have any questions, please let me know. By the way, like, this information is legit. Like, there's so much information based on experiential knowledge that is in here. So please take advantage of it. Okay. All right. We'll talk to you guys soon.